Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Vantage V2 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna place my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So to measure the heart rate, simply swipe left on the home screen, the current watch face, to scroll through the list of widgets and select the heart rate widgets. It's the third one from the home screen, the home watch face rather. And once you select the heart rate widget, it should start measuring your heart rate automatically. So I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor. And here we have it. The number will jump around because the watch is measuring the heart rate in real time, but once it stabilizes, it should be your current heart rate. And once you're done, you can simply swipe right on the screen to go back to the watch face if you want to. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.